America, it's ET, and I'm back again. I do this for the people, guys. I don't even want to make this video, but I have to. I have to. It's my goddamn public service. I got to do my, my good deed for the fucking day. I see a bunch of people. They're sitting around. This is the most skewed the sentiment I've ever seen. It's quite shocking. You see some people saying send it to a million. Shout out Air Mask, greatest tweets on Twitter. He claims, in order to get a good woman these days, you have to have conviction and fully long Bitcoin, and I love that. I love that. Shout out to Air Mask. And then, you got people saying, this is it. This was the top. This is over. It's over. It's all over. Meanwhile, you got Shiba Inu running up 20% in an hour, So, here I am, guys. I got this for you. Here. This is for you guys. Peter Schiff calling for 10K. Fuck you. This is actually actual analysis here instead of from a salesman. I'm not a salesman. I don't give a damn. This price can go whatever way it wants. Nothing matters in this fucking world, okay? You think I'm going to sit here and care about the fucking price of a coin? I'm done with that, okay? There's bigger things to life. What the fuck, dude? We're all going to die one day anyway, right? So what's the point? But I just, since you guys are fretting over it, I do this to help you guys. And so I was making this video called A Warning to All Bitcoin Bulls. This is part 2 of the video. And I was making the video when we were starting to break through, and we actually broke down, like, right in here is where it broke down, and that's when I was like, oh no, that's terrible. But then BlackRock stepped in and offered their little fund, and we were actually able to pump back, and you don't see this often, folks. You don't see this often, because it was really starting to head down. But another thing that I'll show you guys is a good way to, like, actually say, is this thing actually, you gotta wait. First of all, you always wait for the retest, but, like, what do you want to actually see? Is it break like one of these lows on the RSI, like these previous lows. If it starts breaking through this one, that's bad, because that was a big retest and it passed with flying colors back then, so why shouldn't it do the same this time? Well, that would mean that there's less buyers in the market, which is totally okay, and that could be due to any number of factors, so it's nothing to get upset about. But I can't believe it. We really did break above the line, but you can see this trend line. I'm either an asshole or this thing has a little significance to it. And so I really feel like I can offer a little clarity to the people out here. I can't tell you how to make a goddamn dollar off of this, but at least I can tell you, yo, this is what's kind of going on. Now, in my past videos, I was saying there's nothing wrong with breaking up out of this thing. I've seen it. It's happened. It will happen again. It happens time and time again. There's nothing wrong with it. And that would be like a serious move where we're entering in historically, not historically, but, recently higher levels on the RSI on a 12-hour chart. Oh, fuck. Command Z. Anyways, so look, like that was a pretty high level like back there, and that must have been a pretty filthy pump. Let's see. Yeah, that was a filthy pump. Like, this was a filthy pump here. Like, I could measure it for you. No problem. Let's just say from the low. How filthy was that pump? That's a 40% pump. Okay, so, and how much are we up now? 30 something? So just assuming that everything goes well. Oof. Shit. Well, that's suggesting, so we would need it to go higher than that, is what I'm trying to tell you. We need it to, if it would to blow through here, maybe that's when you get the FOMO, you get a little, kick in here. You got the altcoins running. Doggy Coin is about to go doggy style, which is quite shocking. But back to the RSI, back to what matters. I'm telling you, it's pretty incredible. That's why, dude, I got a complicated life. I got a bunch of different motherfucking hobbies. I got different shit I like to do. And I like to just be able to look at this thing once a day. Oh, shit. We're above the black. Okay. Cool. Oh, shit. We're below the black. Okay. Oh, fuck, we bounced off that black like a motherfucker. Okay, well, shit, I might want to throw in on some dog coin. Like, so, that's all I'm thinking here. It's very easy. I'm pulling that Marcus Mariota read. And, I'm just going to, let's just please get this back to simpleness. I don't want to make this shit, that was just kind of where I was showing you, this is how I'm looking at it. This is what I'm seeing. But just come on, guys. Go back to the basics for once in your life. All this whole rally has been, you could just, it's holding this trend line here that obviously has significance. We are riding this thing. And that means it could either be coiling up or it's just losing the damn steam. But there's someone's coming in to buy this thing before it breaks. And another point I would really like to add is that I'm not making a video like this to say it's all over tomorrow. No. this could take a long, long time to play out. You could get something like this, a bounce up and touch, and that's usually what happens. And that would be, imagine, 26th of August. I'm talking that this could be a month to play out. It's just, I'm tired of people saying, oh, I don't know. It's like, bitch, okay, I got you this little trend line. Watch it. If it breaks it, that means it's going to go, it breaks it and comes back and retest it, and then break some of these lows, suggesting a change in structure, then maybe you could like look in, oh shit, what's going on? Fucking Alex Mashinsky's back offering APY. You never know what could be happening. But, I mean, shit. That's really all there is to it. You got to simplify your damn approach sometimes, and this trend line has significance. I don't give a damn what anybody tells me. I know this is an old school Amish fashion, but I'm not here to fucking scalp a trade for you. I lose plenty of those on my own, but this is I pick up long swings and big market moves. I'm okay at that, okay, guys. And to say that this trend line doesn't have any significance, that's fine. Everyone's point is valid, but we'll see when it plays out, and I just see, I don't care how high it has to go. The moment we break this, we are going from a uptrend to a downtrend. It's that goddamn simple. I see right now a little, this is why I'm not even afraid to say that this thing could go higher, is like, we're getting like a symmetrical triangle type of deal off of here. Like, that's not as bearish as I've seen, and it's kind of chopping, loading up. It could make a bigger move. That's not the point. The point is I want you to know when it's going to be the time to crash so you don't keep fucking investing all your money and disappointing your family members and your wife. Okay? So just watch the trend line. When it breaks, retest. It could get a higher high on the retest. That's a bearish divergence 101. And we're cool. If it breaks this high, we could run higher. 31 maybe. I don't fucking know. Who gives a fuck? What matters is you don't want to be buying when this thing's retesting on the back end of this trend line. That's the ultimate thesis. I'm ET Bitch. Thanks for watching. I hope this could offer a little bit of clarity. You see a like button, you see a subscribe button, hit both of them. Boy, I'm out.